Hey, Doodlebug.
Hey.
What are you doing?
Working on my schoolwork.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Well, I saw the mailman, and I think there's a package outside.
Really?
Yeah. I think there's a package. Do you think we should get it before the package monster comes?
Yeah. Hold on, I gotta get my weapon.
Okay, go get your weapon. Let's do this.
Let's do this.
Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so you have to be ready. You have to get the package. You have to be quick, okay? All right, let's go.
Okay. Can you hold this for me?
Sure.
Strong.
Yeah. Be careful. Do you hear anything?
Yeah.
I think I heard something.
Yeah.
Did you hear something?
Mm-hmm.
Let's go.
It's right here.
Over there?
Yeah.
Okay. There's a package. We have to get to it. But you have to be careful. You have to be careful.
Keep your eyes peeled.
Okay, keeping my eyes peeled. Locked and loaded. We have to get over there and get that package before the package monster. I heard something. Did you hear something?
Yeah, that's the package monster.
Oh no! I think he dropped the package off. I don't know if that's the package monster.
He can turn the areas.
Oh yeah?
Yes.
So what do we need to do? Oh my God. I just heard something again. I just heard something again. So if he comes from that way, what do we do?
I don't know. It's like something like you just like something when you call here and they're like come here and take a package. Like
Why would they do that?
I don't know.
Okay. Let's just wait. Oh my God. Did you feel that explosion? Oh my God. Are you okay? You gotta get up. You gotta get up. We have to hurry. We have to hurry. We have to hurry. Get your weapon. I think I see it. Oh my goodness, it is. What do we do?
I don't know.
We need to go investigate. What's wrong, Levi?
I have lost the package monster again.
It's okay. We'll find him. I mean, it's probably someone's at the door.
Who is it? Okay, let's open it.
Can you get it?
Yeah.
Sir, here's your package. I have delivery. You need to sign it, please.
Hold on a second. I'm gonna get my pen. Hold on a second.
He looks sus.
Yeah, he looks familiar.
He does look familiar. Is that the package monster?
But I think.
Oh my God, get your gun. Get your gun. I think he's leaving.
Open this.
Open it. Go. It's gone.
Thank it.
Oh man. What are we gonna do?
I don't know.
Oh man, like I feel like he's gonna keep taking our packages. I feel like he's gonna keep on taking them. What should we do?
I don't know.
I feel like I hear something. You hear something?
No.
Oh my God.
Get down. Get down.
You got him. You got him. Why do you keep taking our packages?
Yeah, why you take it off?
Oh my God, he's gone. You gotta catch him. What should we do?
A dance party.
Oh yeah? Okay.
Thank you guys for watching my channel because I hope you guys get a thumbs up and I hope you guys like it up and subscribe to High Five Levi. And you know what to do. You got to say bye-bye.